Hey everyone, saving your PowerPoint presentation as a PDF is a quick process, and there are two main ways to do it depending on how you want to customize your final file. So in the first method, open your PowerPoint presentation and click on the File tab in the top left corner. And now select the Save As from the left hand menu. And now choose the folder where you want to save your file. I'll select the desktop. So in the Save As Type drop-down menu, click on that and select the PDF. Give it the file name, for example, Scientific Discovery, and then click Save. So your file will be open up in the Adobe Acrobat Reader. So in the second method, you can choose the best way for handouts and customs layout. For example, if you're a teacher or a presenter looking to print your slides as handout. So for this, you need to click on the File tab and select the Export tab from the menu. And now click on the Create PDF XPS document and click on the Create PDF XPS icon. So before saving, look for the option button in the dialog box. Click on that, and under the Publish sections, you need to change the slides to the handouts. And now choose how many slides you want per page. For example, I'll be selecting 3 and then click OK and click on the Publish. Now your PPT slide will be open up in the Adobe Acrobat Reader, and here you can see that 3 slides per page. So I hope now you have understand how to save PPT as PDF in PowerPoint. So now I hope you like the video. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.